Welcome to Mullik's Educare, Accounting 1. What is accounting? Accounting is the process of recording financial transactions pertaining to a business. The accounting process includes summarizing, analyzing, and reporting these transactions to oversight agencies, regulators, and tax collection entities. Types of accounting. There are two primary methods of accounting: cash method and accrual method. The alternative bookkeeping method is a modified accrual method, which is a combination of the two primary methods. Accounting and its purpose. Accounting is a term that describes the process of consolidating financial information to make it clear and understandable for all stakeholders and shareholders. The main goal of accounting is to record and report to a company's financial transactions, financial performance, and cash flows. Thank you.